Chef Lala, and I'm going to teach you how to make Mexican corn. This recipe came from my sister Veronica, so I wanted to share it with you today. I'm going to take a little bit of butter in the pan. I'm also roasting some guajillo chilies and some corn. Guajillo chilies are the type of pepper popularly grown and used in Mexico and the US. When I take my chili and I roast it, what I want to do is get it nice and charred like this, and then I want to run it under some water. It's easier to peel that way. And then we end up with this right here. These peppers they range in heat, but they're close in heat to jalapenos at times with a sweeter and fruitier flavor, making them popular for mole sauces. So I'm going to take this off, little stem, take the seeds off as well. And dice it, and just like little slices here. Okay. These chilies offer some health benefits like the ability to increase metabolism and lots of vitamin A and other nutrients. So once my chilies are cooking, let's check out the corn. So want to make sure we get all the corn cut. The roasting makes it have a nice, smoky, earthy flavor. We used to cook these over mesquite. Then add it to our mixture. Stir it. Be careful not to burn the butter. It gets that funky flavor, so you want to make sure that it's just nice and low. Cook it slow. And then we want to add some cheese. This is cotija cheese, which is similar to feta cheese. It's lower in fat, in saturated fat. It's made with skim milk. And that's that nice saltiness. And a little bit of Mexican cream. If you don't have Mexican cream, you can replace it with creme fraiche. You want to get that nice and melted. When you choose your guajillo chili, make sure you look for something that's nice and shiny. It typically has an elongated shape, around 4 to 6 inches long, and it should be firm to the touch. Let's stir this all in. Getting nice and combined. Has a pretty color to it too. It has like a southwestern little aroma to it. You don't want to overcook it. Pour it in, serve it with some chips, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe on how to make Mexican corn dip. I'm Chef Lala.